Welcome back to Diecast Speedway, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. I would like to start off by saying thank you to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ, for going to the cross for us, for his love, his sacrifice, and his grace. Now let's continue with the show. Let's get it out of the box and onto the turntable. Today we've got something real special from Jada's Pink Slip series. This is the 1967 Shelby GT-500. That pink really makes this black and copper Shelby stand out. You already know when it's pink slips, it's about to be something custom, clean, and different. Man, this thing is beautiful. That glossy black paint is deep, and those copper accents just set it off. This isn't just a classic muscle car. This is a modern custom build in die-cast form. Pop the hood and look at that engine bay. You've got that full chrome motor just shining under the lights. Intake, valve covers, everything is polished. For a 1/24 scale, Jada really went all out here. This looks like something you'd see at a high-end car show. Up front, you've got that aggressive Shelby grille with the GT-500 badge. Those dual fog lights in the center give it that classic Shelby face, and the headlights are clean and clear. This front end alone lets you know this car means business. From the side, the copper stripe running along the body is just perfect. It flows clean from front to back and ties in with the wheels and trim. And check out that signature along the side skirt. That's a sick little detail that adds to the custom look. Now these wheels, these are one of my favorite parts. That copper finish on the rims matches the striping perfectly. And the low-profile tires give it that slammed, aggressive stance. This Shelby looks planted, like it's ready to tear up the street. Let's open the door and check out the inside. You've got a full interior. Steering wheel, dashboard, pedals, seats, all molded clean. It's simple, but it's exactly what a classic muscle interior should look like. Jada keeps it realistic without overdoing it. From the back, the taillights look sharp, and you've got that Shelby badge right in the center. Even the pink slips license plate is a nice touch. Little details like that really separate an average diecast from a great one. This 1967 Shelby GT-500 from Jada's Pink Slip series is straight heat. The black and copper color combo, the chrome engine bay, opening hood and doors, custom wheels, and that aggressive stance make this one stand out in any collection. So that's all we have for today, folks, but stay tuned for next time. We'll be showing this 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse from Jada's Pink Slips. You won't want to miss it. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, go and cruise on over to our other videos right here on Diecast Speedway, where we do all the unboxing so you don't have to. Whether it's classic muscle, modern rides, or something in between, we've got you covered. So until next time, keep diecasting, and God bless.